Welcome to AGORACOM, Small Cap Epicenter and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investment. It's Friday, October the 15th. Typically a slow news cycle day, but I got two press releases for you. China is dominating today. First press release comes out of China. Cablecom Holdings trades on the NASDAQ under CABL. They put out their second quarter financial results. This is a company that provides cable television services in the People's Republic of China and actually has a joint venture with the government. We'll talk about that in a second. They've got a couple of joint ventures, so I consolidated the numbers. Revenues were up to about $14 million, up about 30%. EBITDA about $4 million. That's up about 55%. And their cable project in the Hubei province added about 23,000 subscribers during the quarter. So some pretty good numbers there. Go take a look at the actual filing for the deeper numbers. A little bit about the company, what I like. They're operating in partnership with a local state-owned enterprise authorized by the PRC to control and distribute cable TV services. They got a 55% economic interest in the cable network in the Hubei province, and they've got 1.2 million subscribers. That's a pretty nice number there. Closed yesterday, 61 cents. Now, there's a bit of a variance here. 52-week high at 270. They're way off that. 52-week low, 36 cents. So you may want to go take a look and see if they've had any negative shocks or negative events that have caused that kind of price differential. Next up, Yingli Green Energy. How could you miss these guys? They're all over the World Cup earlier this year. Trading on the New York Stock Exchange on the stock symbol YGE. They announced new 700 megawatt capacity expansion projects. Now, that's not revenue. It doesn't mean a lot, but what it does mean to me is the company is expanding production for a reason. With the completion of these two new expansion projects, the company's capacity will increase to 1.7 gigawatts, and they're expecting for these expansion projects to start production in the middle of 2011. So they're obviously anticipating, they can see the sales pipeline, and that's a good number because they're anticipating sales. Closed yesterday, 13.55. That's dead smack in the middle of their 52 trading range. 19.11 to the high, 8.31 to the low. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. If you look for more great small cap companies that get stuff to the front page of AGORACOM, watch the show, take a look at the press releases the best press release over the past few days, and then get into our marketplace to discover more great small cap companies. That's a wrap. Have a great weekend. See you on Monday.